For today's video, I'm going to discuss about strategies problem solving at paano natin isi-solve sa ating real life situation. The problem solving strategies. This topic of Polias strategy, may 4-step po siya. First is understand the problem. Second, devise a plan. Third is carry out the plan. And fourth is review the solution. And now, dito papasok yung Polias problem strategies na i-introduce ni George Polias. So first, sino nga ba si George Polias? So si George Polias, guys, is known as the father of modern problem solving, did extensive studies and wrote numerous mathematical papers and 3 books about problem solving. So I'm going to show you his method, problem solving, to help step you through this problem. Ang aim ng video na ito is upang mabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga tao na magkakaroon ng mabilis na paraan upang makapag-solve or masolusyonan nila yung mga problema na kinakaharap natin. Ang strategies na ito is may 4 na steps. So first is understand the problem. So dito papasok yung nakaintindi mo sa problema kinakaharap mo at kung ano yung pinaka-goal mo in terms of this problem na kinakaharap mo. Number 2 is devise a plan. Dito na po papasok yung iniisip mo pwedeng paraan or way na masolusyonan mo yung problema na kinakaharap mo. Na mas maganda siguro kung hindi lang isa yung iniisip natin na paraan, much better pag mas marami, kasi pag hindi tumama yung plan A, meron kang backup plan or plan B na paraan para masolusyonan mo yung problema natin. Sabi nga ng teacher namin na create a plan from A to Z para ma-reach mo talaga yung goal natin or masolusyonan natin yung problem. Third is carrying out the plan. Dito na papasok yung pag-perform natin or pag-execute mo na napili mong solution or plan para sa problema. But always remember na work carefully in terms dito. Kasi syempre, mahirap pag nagkamali tayo, diba? Baka takot tayo, baka ma-judge tayo. Or basta always remember that we need to consider yung mga factor kapag i-execute na natin yung napili na natin yung plano in terms of pag-solve ng problema. Unlike what I said na kailangan may backup plan tayo. Kasi along the way, marirealize natin na kapag may mali sa isang ginagawa mo maiisip mo na kailangan kang bumalik, kailangan ko ng ibang plano para masolve ko ng tama yung problema ko or natin. Lastly, review your solution. Will you found a solution? Always have check. So in terms of this, sa real life situation, kailangan mo sigurong mag-seek ng advice or help in terms of solving problem. Kung magkakaroon ka ng solution, pwede na sigurong problema na kinakaharap mo, siguro kailangan na natin magkaroon ng generalization kasi malay natin na yung problema na iyon ay mauulit. So, meron na tayong idea kung paano mag-solve in the better way. So, mas maganda paraan, di ba? So, let's have some example. Basic example na makaka-relate ako personally. So, for example, my problem is I want to make my weight lose. So, like for example, and have a fitness, I have to lose my weight in after 8 months to lose weight. First is draw a picture or act it out. So for me, example, I will draw my present body like very fat, and I will draw also what I want to be in these 8 months. After what I want my body looks after I lose my weight. So draw a picture or act it out. So for example, if I have this polo shirt and this is so big, I'm going to act it out. So I would have a polo shirt that something fit on me or something really sexy and smaller than my size. So for example, this is a large. I would wear a polo shirt, a medium. So that's my body. I could draw or act it out. So I want to have this kind of body that my size become to medium. Next is guess and check. So I will give some procedure to consider for my weight loss. For example, if I had smaller amount of food to eat, does I go or does I become like this? Or then everything is checked, then okay, correct. But something like if I got ulcer because I don't have a standard of food that my digest of my system will take respond to it. So it's wrong. So I would make some procedure. So okay, another procedure. If I have to exercise regularly. So yes, tama. But I have an online class. So how could I exercise regularly? Because I didn't forgive a time to my requirements. So it is correct. In other side, I'm wrong in other side. So third example, if I take a diet pills, so it is correct. So what if that pills is not meant for my body? I mean, side effect. It is not appropriate. So next is make a table list or chart. So for example, what is the process or procedure to lose weight? So first is have exercise. Then number 2, small amount of food to vent a diet. So number 3 is taking diet pills. So I also add some diet, the nutritious diet, because avoiding fat or cholesterol on the food. So I make a table on it or list or chart to decide what is the information needs to go on the chart. So list all possibilities and the possibilities that may help to become lose my weight. So list all the possibilities in the table to make sure pieces of the problem don't get lost. To organize and record the information so it makes sense. So we need to make a table or list So number 4, use logical reasoning. So logical reasoning, it is something related to guess and check. But this logical reasoning is a actual or combination of guess and check. Make a table to become what is the right for procedure to use. For example, I want to eat the less small amount of food. So I would balance it. Like for example, if I eat some rice, it's a nutritious viand, that's a logical reasoning. So if I eat lesser food, I will have to do exercise lesser. So if I eat so much, because sometimes there's a day that the viand is so lamig kaayo, and so for example is my birthday and our celebration, a big celebration, and then may nagsiserve ng salad or macaroni, spaghetti, ice cream, etc. What I'm going to do is, syempre kakainin ko lahat kasi opportunity na yun na after that day, I don't eat salad because I don't have money. So that is occasionally. So that is some instances. So if we encounter that, so we can eat too much. So I ate so much, but I think I would eat this reason, or I would logic it to a vigorous exercise. So that is a logical reasoning. So number 5 is look for a pattern related. Din po ito sa logical reasoning. So what I said earlier, if I eat too much, then vigorous exercise. If I eat small amount of food, and if I have a lesser exercise, so that is a pattern. So 1 is 1, 2 is to 2. See, I generated a pattern. So less information, you know and identify the information you need to find to make an organized list or table. Examine your list for a recognized pattern. Use the pattern to find the missing information. So I had a pattern. So what is the missing on that pattern? But if I have that vigorous exercise, what will happen to me? So what I get tired, because the manifestation of tired is to have the vigorous exercise. So what I'm going to do is to sleep well. So that is the missing. I have a pattern. 1 is 1, 2 is to 2. Then after I had a pattern, I used to find the missing. The missing and the problem is what I'm going to do, because I have a vigorous exercise. So I want to sleep because I am tired. That is a missing. So it is very useful. So I had a pattern, and I had answer. Then the last is work backward. I'm going to lose weight and exercise. I eat proper, or I eat nutritious food. I slept well, so I got it the answer. So as my problem strategies. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless.